Hello and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to be walking you through a basic step on how to download and install Blender. So let's get started. The first thing first is open up a browser. So it doesn't matter the type of browser, you can use any type of browser to download Blender. So but in this tutorial I'm going to be using Microsoft Edge. Go to your browser and just type in blender.org and hit enter. So what this will actually do is going to load you up to the Blender official website where you can download the Blender installer file. So in this tutorial we are going to be downloading Blender 2.83, not Blender 3.6 as you can see here. So what you just have to do is to come to the download at the top, then you come to release notes. There are different versions of Blender. We have Blender 3.6, 5 down to Blender 2.8. So we are actually going to be downloading Blender 2.8 in this tutorial. So you just click on 2.8. Just click on the blue download button over here. Scroll down. You just have to scroll down to this side. You have to pick the installer like according to your system. So for my PC here I'm using a Windows, so I'm going to hit the window installer, and as you can see here your download will start automatically, so you just have to wait. But if your download did not start automatically, what you have to do, you can hit this download manually. So as you can see, Blender 2.83 is already downloading. Once your download is done, what you just have to do is to head on to where your file was downloaded, the folder where your file was downloaded. As for my own case, it was downloaded to download in my file explorer. So as you can see, it's Blender 2.83. So what you just have to do, you just double click on it, preparing to install. Welcome to Blender Setup Wizard. Install Blender on your computer. So just click on next, then you toggle this on. I accept the term and condition. Next, click on next again, then install. So once you are done with your installation, you just click on finish and Blender should launch automatically, or Blender will actually create a shortcut on your desktop screen like this over here. But in case you did not see this, that simply means you did not toggle on the create shortcut. So all you just have to do is to come to your search bar, then you type in Blender, okay, then you hit enter. Or you can actually access this from the desktop here. Just double click on it and just wait for Blender to load. So if you are installing Blender for the first time, Blender will take a lot of time to load. Hola, welcome to Blender 2.83 interface, which is the power to last. So if you are actually a Blender beginner and you want to learn how to use Blender, so I already created a video for you on Blender for beginner course where you will learn about the hotkeys, the Blender interface, how to model and so on. Click on the video on the screen, or I will leave the link in the description below so you can get access to the video. And don't forget to subscribe if you found this video very helpful, and smash the like button so I can keep on making videos for you.